To get started, we're going to basically install the app. Once it's installed, we can go ahead and hit open. When you hit open, you want to basically create this connection with the QuickBooks. And so let's just choose this one, Clover to QuickBooks Desktop Daily Orders. And here, we need to create a connection for the file specifically. So we'll just say something like QuickBooks file, company name, like this. And this will just be a little bit descriptive if your accountant deals with more than one file. And so now we basically choose, well, this is for Clover, this is for QuickBooks, and then we hit save. Applications.
QuickBooks Desktop. Connections. Choose the connection which we just created. Details. And here you need to download the company file, not company, QuickBooks Web Connector file, and install it in your QuickBooks Web Connector. And copy the password.
All right, what happens after that? QuickBooks, so I have QuickBooks Pro 24. We can open that up. All right, so we're going to open the product-based company. Take us to the simple QuickBooks file. All right, so once QuickBooks opens, you can go to File, App Management, and click on Update Web Services. And this is what's going to pop up. When you have this, you just click on Add Application. Right, so here's the file that I've downloaded. And I'm going to say OK here. On this screen, I'm going to say yes, always. Yes, and allow. Like this. Basically, it's 2. And now you want to hit continue, and then you want to hit confirm. And so now we've added this application here. And if you go back to the website, there's this password that we had, right? Which we can now save. Here we go. Here's the password. And here we're going to, so here's my application. The password goes here. And when I tab out of this screen, it's going to prompt me to save, which I want to say yes. I do want to save it. Essentially, we could do this thing on an auto run, but like to just kind of, keep it manually. So here we're just going to go ahead and click on this checkbox and go ahead and click on Update Selected. And so once we hit Update Selected, it's going to just run it this one time. And as you can see, so far, it's doing it pretty successfully. And so that's pretty, just going to let it run till the end. All right, so that's done. Okay, so now we go to my integrations, and then we'll click here. And now I want to choose, so these are your customers that are coming in from QuickBooks, and you want to choose which customer you want to associate all of these orders with, right? So let's say that you have a customer that's specific for Clover. Let me just pick this one, for example. And then you want to also say, which item you want to use as a income item that will be showing up on the sales receipt. So let me just say, well, let me do something better than appliance. Gosh, these are all, interestingly enough, completely different, whatever. So here it is. We have some item here. And we can go ahead and hit save. So that takes care of this.
And that's the end of implementation. Transact and orders will show up in QuickBooks.